When it comes to increasing list engagement for your email campaigns, offering free gifts is a great option. Think carefully about the types of gifts that will suit your audience and use them to get your subscribers to open, click, and act. Here are additional ways to do it. Coupons. People like getting discount coupons. So if you can offer your visitors a coupon code for signing up for your email list, that is a great freebie to offer. Don't discount your work too much though, because that devalues what you do. Training. Offering written or video lessons to your subscribers works for almost every niche. You can use it to educate and inform your readers about the many ways your products can make their lives better. Just create the lessons and load them up into your autoresponder and deliver to the people who sign up for your list. Checklists, worksheets, and charts. These are awesome to give your audience because they can use them to reach their goals and get things done, and every time they do, they are reminded of your generosity. You can create them around the types of products or services you offer. Bundles. You can put together a collection of all the things we've discussed in this lesson and offer a package deal. This is a great way to give them an overall sampling of what your business can do for them.